Hello guys, it's day 6 and I am here again. Yes, it's day 6 and I am consistent too. And thanks to myself too, I am motivating myself to make videos and telling about people how my life is going on. Actually, I myself underestimate myself, but I always underestimate the lectures too. But I know much nowadays that I have to do many more things. So I have some examples, real life examples. Example that when I am doing my lecture number second, it seems like an easy one, but when I am going on a depth and thinking about this much, then I have to know that there are very much things to learn more. So I have to spend more time on that things too. So today I solved just basic questions on linked list like insertion and the I learned linked list yesterday. So I have to try to implement these things also. Just I done one question called sum of two numbers in a linked list. That's very easy question I know, but as I am beginner, so I have to do that. So that's for today actually, and I want to show my notes to you. Notes. I have to make them like this. You feel like what's this? But it's actually far more thing than they give us notes. But from these notes there are many things to understand, and also as I am Indian, so I write in Hindi to understand better the notes and concepts, and then I have to manage my time limits. So actually it's take lot more time than I think. So it's a bit slow process, but what to do now? As I take challenge, so I have to complete it because I want some little achievement in my life. That's why I am doing this. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Vansh Code Bugs. Jai Hind.